Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am AprilSunny, and today I am going to do a detailed video on my braid out and how I get my curls to be so defined. This has been a highly requested video, so keep on watching. Starting out on freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair, I always use the lock method starting in the back. For my liquid, I'm using Alpha G Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner. I make sure that's sprayed all over the section. For my cream, I'm using It's a 10 Leave-In Conditioner. I always add a serum to my braid out. Normally it's a Paul Mitchell. Today I'm using the Kenya Moore Hair Growth Serum. I've been loving this. I make sure that is all over my section. Once I have that in, I move on to lightly detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. And then I will add my organic coconut oil to my strands just to make sure all of that moisture I put in is locked in. Lastly, as I braid my section, I will be adding Jamaican black castor oil to my strands. I've noticed when I use the LCSOO method, my hair is highly moisturized without being weighed down. Plus, I don't feel like I need to re-braid my hair throughout the week. If you'd like to see how I refresh my braid out, go check out that video on Instagram. Towards the end, you'll see that I pick up more Jamaican black castor oil because that, of course, is the oldest part of your hair. So I'll leave about this much hair out, and then I'll grab one of my wrapping papers for added protection. Wrap that around the end of my hair. I don't put it directly on the end of the hair. I'll have like a little bit hanging out at the bottom there, and then I'll take my rod and slide the end paper down to cover the ends of my hair, and then I'll use these rods and wrap the hair around the rod. Once I am done, this is what it looks like, and then you can move on to the other sections. In the back, you're going to have 4 plaits. You want them to be overlapping one another so you can't really see the part lines. I definitely go back in with Jamaican black castor oil and just make sure my new growth is covered with oil. I wanted to show you guys my front as well. So in the front, I will have 2 plaits on each side. I always start out with my liquid leave-in, followed by my cream leave-in, followed by my serum. I use the serum to make sure I have little to no frizz. It always works for me. And then after that, I will use my Jamaican black castor oil. The lock method is used for consistently dry hair. This method is effective because it adds layers to seal in moisture. LOC, LCO, LCSO, or the one that works for me, LCSOO. Deciding which one that works for you is really just a personal preference. So if you find your hair is consistently dry, give one of these methods a try. Keep in mind, as I am working down my strand, I am adding Jamaican black castor oil. Once I reach my desired end, I'm going to add more Jamaican black castor oil, and then my end paper. Again, I don't put it at the very ends of my hair. I wrap it just above, and then I add my curling rod. Once I add my curling rod, I'm going to slide and smooth that down over the ends of my hair, just like that, and then wrap it around. I do go up into the braid, as you can see, and then I will close off that curling rod. See? Now, as you can see, I am left with 4 plaits in the back and 4 plaits in the front. Now, I do go back through and make sure my new growth is covered with Jamaican black castor oil. This helps to moisturize my new growth as my hair is drying. Okay, so after all of that, all I'm going to do is pull some of my plaits to the top of my head and put my bonnet on. Now, those of you that I know that are going to ask, I picked up my bonnet from Target. So I am going to go to sleep, you guys. I will see you in the morning. Right, good morning, loves. So we are just going to go ahead and take that bonnet off and start taking out my curling rods. Now, sometimes I notice that my hair is not completely dry as I'm taking these out. In that case, I would usually just put a top knot at the top of my head. But if it is dry, I'll go ahead and add my coconut oil and begin to take these plaits out. Now, the point of adding the coconut oil as I'm taking these out is to make sure there is little to no frizz. As you can see, I don't really take them out and then pull them apart. I take them out and I leave them grouped together. Just like that. I love that look. Super defined. That's what we're going for. Okay, so let's take out the rest of this. Okay, once you are done taking your plaits out, you can really just style it the way you want. For me, this little particular plait likes to be on the other side, and I'm not going to go against it because it's just going to cause frizz. So I do try and pluck out a little bit of my root just to give it some volume and to cover any scalp that may be showing. I don't do too much because this is day 1 and you want to get throughout the week. But yes, this is day 1 curls and they're bouncy and hydrated. I absolutely love it. So I seriously could not figure out how I wanted to wear my hair, but while I figured that out, if you have not yet checked out my Instagram, I do a lot over there. So check out AprilSunny84 on Instagram. Feel free to leave any video requests over there as well. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And until the next time, be love.